Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to switch. Make sure your device runs a recent Android build and the Google app is updated, because the OS hands default control to the current app. Once done, grant microphone and location permissions so Assistant can respond and give contextual answers. Now go to Settings, tap Apps, then Default Apps, and select Assist app. That menu is the control point. Choose Google as the Assist app to start making it your default assistant. Next, open the Google app and go to Settings, then Google Assistant to configure how it listens and responds. Turn on Voice Match so it reacts to your voice, pick preferred languages, and allow Assistant to work from the lock screen if you want quick access. If your phone has another assistant or a dedicated button, disable that assistant or remap the button to prevent conflicts. Doing this ensures Google Assistant is the primary responder and consistently active. Finish by testing. Say, "Hey Google," and press the Assistant button to confirm Google answers. If another app still opens, clear defaults for competing assistants in App Settings or Update and reinstall the Google app to refresh permissions. Reboot the device to apply system-level changes and rerun Voice Match if voice detection feels off. If issues persist, check microphone permission and disable battery optimizations for Google so background listening isn't interrupted. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.